For the first time, scientists have discovered evidence of phosphorus in an ocean
In the boundless depths of the cosmos, where the universe's enigmas await revelation, a phenomenon of profound significance has drawn the gaze of scientists and cosmic enthusiasts alike. A celestial conundrum, ancient and shrouded in mystery, emerges from the celestial expanse. It is a revelation that challenges the very foundations of our comprehension of Earth's solitary natural satellite. What secrets does the moon conceal? Secrets that have eluded humanity for centuries, and could they hold the potential to redefine our position in the vast cosmic tableau? Join us on this celestial odyssey, where we embark on a quest to unearth a discovery that has left the world astounded. Together, we shall journey to the lunar frontier, where China has uncovered a lunar enigma, a revelation that defies our established understanding of this ancient lunar realm. In the 9th century, Chinese visionaries initiated a remarkable era of rocketry, setting the stage for the awe-inspiring fireworks displays and the very concept of rocket engines that we admire today. While they bypassed the mid-20th century space race, China embarked on its journey of space exploration in the late 1950s, hitching a ride on the coattails of the Soviet Union. However, as the curtain fell on the Soviet Union's space era, China charted its own celestial course. On April 24, 1970, China proudly catapulted its first satellite into orbit, marking the beginning of a slow yet determined ascent in technology. This ascent reached a significant milestone in 2007 when Chang'e 1, China's lunar orbiter, gracefully entered lunar orbit a mere 12 days after liftoff. At first, the world didn't pay much attention, but Chang'e soon dazzled the global community with its fresh lunar insights, earning China's space endeavors a standing ovation. However, China didn't stop at lunar orbiters. They went on to build their own space station, a cosmic sibling to the International Space Station. This cosmic expansion turned China's space station into the newest modular playground, positioning China at the forefront of interstellar exploration. As China continued to make waves in the realm of space exploration, their lunar missions took a thrilling turn. Chang'e 2 stumbled upon a substance on the moon's mysterious dark side, a discovery that sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. Could this mysterious orange-yellow gel-like substance be evidence of life on the moon? China tantalizingly kept its cards close, leaving the world with unanswered questions. Chang'e 2, basking in the lunar spotlight, earned its accolades for its daring feat of exploring the enigmatic dark side of the moon's elusive backstage. The Chinese National Space Administration cracked the cosmic code, solving a major communication puzzle with celestial skill. Interestingly, China not only had the most launches in 2018, totaling 39 launches, surpassing America's 31 and Russia's 20, but they also commenced 2019 with an even cooler achievement. On January 3rd, they landed a rover on the moon's mysterious dark side, capturing even more enigmatic images of our cosmic neighbor. To China, it was a significant feat, akin to winning a world championship in space exploration. As lunar orbits unveiled the moon's contrasting sides, with one facing us featuring flat lunar seas and the other resembling a crater-covered wonderland, scientists began to believe that the far side of the moon concealed secrets. Astronomers grew excited about the quiet zone with no earthly radio interference, ideal for studying stars, galaxies, their births, and growth, akin to a cosmic time machine. The rover, equipped with advanced instruments, embarked on a lunar treasure hunt, searching for minerals and studying how the sun's particle wind interacted with the moon's surface. Chang'e 4 was part of China's lunar endeavor, and it wasn't just spying from above. It was digging in, with future missions, Chang'e 5 and Chang'e 6, planning to collect lunar souvenirs, rocks, and dirt, and bring them back to Earth. China's Chang'e 4 mission took its name from a moon goddess in Chinese tales, and was launched on December 7, 2018, by a powerful Long March 3B rocket. It soared from the Xichang Satellite Launch Center in China's Sichuan province, and since December 13th, it had been diligently exploring the untouched realms of space, running scientific experiments. Chinese scientists dropped a bombshell when they unveiled a sticky substance discovered by the moon rover Yutu-2 in a lunar crater. They analyzed images and cross-referenced them with Apollo samples, discovering a peculiar moon rock with a twist. This rock had gone gooey, likely due to a meteoric impact, earning it the intriguing tag gelatinous. This glassy, gelatinous substance, different from regular moon dirt, presented a challenge for scientists. The dim lunar light made it challenging to spot things clearly, and only about 38% of plagioclases could be identified. Surprisingly, this glassy material didn't stand out much from its lunar surroundings, hinting at its resemblance to the rest of the moon dust. However, the moon had another secret to reveal. This moon oddity had a mysterious dark green hue and measured approximately 52 by 60 centimeters. In a scientific paper published in the journal Earth and Planetary Science Letters, researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences unveiled this lunar enigma, naming it a dark greenish glowing impact melt breccia. This mysterious object was discovered in the von Karman crater on the far side of the moon, away from the bustling lunar activity. Researchers compared the moon rover's snapshots with samples from the American Apollo missions, finding striking similarities. This hinted that the mysterious greenish object might have formed during a lunar collision. On December 1, 2020, Chang'e 5 made an epic lunar touchdown, concluding a 23-day space adventure. This dynamic dual probe took off from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site in China's Hainan province, catapulting itself into lunar exploration. The mission aimed to collect lunar samples and haul lunar rock back to Earth, marking the first time in 4 decades that such extraterrestrial goodies were returning to our home planet. Recent discoveries hinted at the moon's hidden secrets, such as substantial deposits of water ice hidden within craters near the lunar poles. The once arid and desolate moon was revealing pockets of frozen water, challenging prior assumptions and rewriting its watery history. This newfound revelation led to excitement and questions about the potential of lunar water, with discussions about humans sipping moon water, plants growing on lunar soil, and fuel being synthesized on the moon. China's Chang'e 5 mission, acting as a cosmic detective, threw a curveball into lunar daydreams by discovering something unthinkable: water, and lots of it, on the tiny, inconspicuous celestial body we call the moon. It was a game changer, as researchers stumbled upon tiny glass particles in lunar soil samples, suggesting the presence of water in lunar glass beads. These small crystals likely formed when meteorites and comets crashed into the moon, introducing water to the lunar party. This water, frozen at the moon's poles, challenged preconceived notions and transformed the moon into a potential water-rich resource. The moon, once thought to be parched and desolate, was now considered a cosmic gold mine of water, with these glass beads potentially spread throughout its surface. The researchers discovered that even the tiniest of these beads contained water, and when combined, they represented a vast lunar water resource. Intriguingly, the water trapped in these lunar glass beads had a unique origin story. It was created by the sun, with positively charged hydrogen atoms from the sun mixing with oxygen inside the glass beads. This lunar oddity provided not only insights into lunar water, but also potential clues about the sun's interactions with celestial bodies. The total lunar water stash within these impact glass beads was estimated to be a staggering 700 million short tons, a vast reservoir of lunar hydration. Moon settlers could access fresh water with ease, making lunar colonization more feasible. These discoveries raised the prospect of lunar mining and the utilization of lunar water for various purposes, including sustaining human colonies and fuel production. As the moon became a celestial hotspot, China's Chang'e 6 mission in 2024 promised even more lunar treasure hunts and revelations from the far side of the moon. Excitingly, this lunar exploration could lead to transformative breakthroughs, such as the potential utilization of helium-3 for nuclear fusion. This elusive crystal, discovered on the moon, could hold the key to solving Earth's energy crisis, as helium-3 is a critical ingredient for nuclear fusion, a cleaner and more abundant energy source. With the moon becoming a focal point of scientific interest and potential resource exploration, humanity was on the cusp of unlocking lunar mysteries and redefining the moon's significance in space exploration. The moon, once seen as a barren and unchanging celestial neighbor, had proven itself to be a dynamic world with secrets waiting to be unveiled. As we ventured further into the cosmos and harnessed the lunar resources, the moon's role in our understanding of the universe and our quest for sustainable energy sources was poised to undergo a remarkable transformation. Stay tuned for more fascinating episodes of Universal Narratives, where we journey through the cosmos, exploring celestial wonders and unraveling the mysteries of the universe.